Hi, welcome to the guitar shop. What we're going to be doing over the coming weeks is building up this specific guitar. It's a kit Stratocaster that a friend of mine got many years ago, and it's been sitting in his house for a long time. He gave it to me when we were up in Oklahoma a few months back. His name's Kenny. Hey Kenny. He's finally getting underway. I've had it now probably a year and a half, and I've got all the parts for it. It's just a matter of starting to work on it and put it together. So over the next several weeks, piece by piece, we'll be putting this thing together, wiring it up, and getting it all working. I have all the parts. I'm going to keep the videos short, 5 minutes each, roughly. And in depth, we're going to look at each individual stage. This particular video, I marked and set these screws in place to hold the neck on. It's a pretty simple operation, but I mean, it's step one to putting the kit guitar together is attaching the neck to the guitar. There's a link down below of where to find this part in 2 or 3 different places. These are not attached as yet. They're just kind of temporarily on here. I was doing some test fitting. Another part that needed to be test fit is the pick guard. Reason being is you're going to have to modify it. They never come, so they just bolt in. And again, I'll put the link for this pick guard down below, but see how the neck comes below the pick guard, so this piece is going to have to be cut. And I've already test fit it and marked it for cutting, so that's going to have to get done. There. Let me find my drill. Size the bit first. I'm going to use a brad point bit. In sizing a bit, you want to be able to see the threads around the threads on both sides of the drill bit. That way you know the threads are biting in, but you're not holding the center shaft out. And this is just slightly smaller than these original holes. You see how the drill bit just drops in the hole? Which that's good. That means that you're hardly biting in these holes at all, except maybe through a little bit of paint. You don't want to bite in these holes, you want to bite in the neck. And what I'll do is I'll mark the 4 holes on the neck first, and then I'll take them to the trash can and drill them, so we don't make any messes. Make sure you don't go all the way through. See, you can finger turn these little screws, so it's easy. They're not biting into the body at all, but they will bite into that neck. They stop once they get down to the neck. I'm just kind of hand feeding them. What I'll do is I'll tighten the two corners down than the two corners, and hopefully that gives us a better seating. I'm just snugging them down. I'm not getting them real tight, just snug. Okay, they're all snug. Looks good. Now we'll tighten it down. One, and then the other corner. Okay. 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 Good. There it is, the neck is attached to the guitar. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate all the interaction you can give to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. The parts that I'm using will be in the descriptions for each video as we go along. This is video 1. Again, appreciate you watching, and thanks for visiting the guitar shop. Take care.